If you want to know how to earn thousands of dollars with a faceless YouTube channel in 2025 through profitable niches, then watch this video until the end. We'll start with the niche in no particular order. Niche number 1, anime self-help videos. This niche combines personal development with engaging anime visuals, offering a fresh take on the self-improvement genre. It's a space with huge potential for growth in 2025. For instance, channels like Incognito CEO have gained over 200,000 subscribers with just 15 videos. They average 140,000 views per month, earning around $300, which gives them an RPM of approximately $2. This niche is particularly appealing because it allows creators to address common self-help topics like building discipline, boosting confidence, and breaking bad habits, all while incorporating anime clips. If you're already creating self-help content but struggling to gain traction, this approach could help you grow your channel more quickly. Plus, you don't need to be an anime expert to get started. Tools like InVideo AI can help you produce anime-style motivational clips in minutes. The latest release of InVideo enables you to create fully animated videos, including anime, making content creation much easier. For this niche, I'd rate the earning potential at 4 out of 10 and the ease of video creation at 9 out of 10, giving it an average score of 6.5 out of 10th. Niche number 2. Moral stories. Moral stories are essentially the YouTube version of the moral science classes you might remember from school. In this niche, you share simple yet impactful stories that teach valuable life lessons. While it's similar to the self-help genre, it focuses more on storytelling and moral teachings, making it a sub-niche within self-help. This niche is still relatively untapped, which presents a great opportunity to gain views and subscribers quickly if you start now. One example of success in this niche is DreamSparks, a channel that, after just 1 year, gets over 200,000 views per month and earns over $1,000 monthly. Their RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, is estimated to be around $5. The best part about this niche is that the videos are easy to create. You can find stories from various sources like Google, books, or even ChatGPT, and then use AI tools like InVideo AI to create the videos. Overall, I would rate this niche a 5 out of 10 for earning potential and a 9 out of 10 for ease of video creation, making the overall score 7 out of 10. Niche number 3, ancient philosophy. Channels discussing ancient philosophies have gained popularity in 2024, and this trend is expected to continue into 2025, expanding to long-form content. One example is Philosophies for Life, which averages 500,000 views a month and earns around $2,000, with an RPM of $4 per 1,000 views. The earning potential increases when narrowing the focus. The appeal of this niche is its accessibility, with content easily created using available tools and information from books, articles, and AI. I would rate this niche with a 6 out of 10 for earning potential and 8 out of 10 for ease of video creation, giving it a total score of 7 out of 10. Niche number 4, business documentaries. This niche, which intersects with finance and money-making, offers a solid RPM and the potential for compelling storytelling. Company Man got 1.5 million views in the last month and earned over $10,000, with an RPM of $6.5 per 1,000 views. This niche's low competition, due to the high entry barrier, means that consistent high-quality videos can yield significant earnings. However, making documentaries is time-consuming, requiring extensive research, scripting, and editing, so sustained passion for the subject matter is essential. I rate this niche a 9 out of 10 for earning potential, but a 3 or 4 out of 10 for ease of video creation, giving it a total score of 6.5 out of 10. Niche number 5, horror and scary story videos. This niche combines high earning potential with relatively easy video creation, making it a powerful choice. Channels like Chilling Scares generate 18 million views a month, earning over $100,000. The RPM for this niche typically ranges from $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. Content creation is simple. All you need are spooky images, a compelling voiceover, and a chilling story. Platforms like Storyblocks or InVideo can help create immersive backgrounds and sound effects to make your videos stand out. I rate this niche a 9 out of 10 for earning potential and an 8 out of 10 for ease of video creation, giving it a total of 8.5 out of 10. Niche number 6. Basic financial education. The basic financial education niche on YouTube focuses on creating content that educates viewers about managing their money, understanding personal finance, budgeting, saving, investing, and financial literacy in general. It is a valuable niche because many people seek to improve their financial situation, but often lack the basic knowledge to make informed decisions with an RPM of $12. Best channel example is Alex Earning Potential. So the rate will be 9 out of 10 for earning potential, 7 out of 10 for ease of creation, and average score totaling 8 out of 10. Niche number 7. AI tutorials. The niche I believe will dominate in 2025 and beyond is AI content. This includes AI tutorials, tips, and updates on the latest trends. The RPM for AI-related content, especially how-to videos, is very high, and the earning potential is immense. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Midjourney have exploded in popularity, and even those without expertise can create content in this space. AI tools like ChatGPT for scripting and InVideo for animations make video creation easy, with low competition compared to other niches. I rate this niche an 8 out of 10 for earning potential and a 7 out of 10 for ease of video creation, totaling a score of 7.5 out of 10. Number 8. 3D animation. The 3D animation niche on YouTube involves creating content using 3D modeling and animation software to produce videos that entertain, educate, or showcase stunning visuals. Channels in this niche typically focus on various forms of 3D animation, such as animated shorts, tutorials, motion graphics, product visualizations, or even explainer videos. The beauty of the 3D animation niche is its versatility and the potential to attract audiences interested in art, technology, gaming, education, or entertainment. So the earning potential is 9 out of 10. And for the ease of creation, we have 6 out of 10, totaling an average of 7.5. So for today's video, you have learned that in 2025, the success of a faceless YouTube channel largely depends on choosing the right niche. Niches like anime self-help, moral stories, ancient philosophy, and business documentaries offer decent earnings and easy video creation, but channels in higher-paying niches like horror and gaming can generate significant revenue with more effort. Horror, for example, combines high earnings potential with manageable video creation, while gaming channels excel due to their massive engaged audiences. Ultimately, your choice of niche, content quality, and consistency will determine your channel's success and earning potential on YouTube. Now, I want to hear from you. If you had to pick one niche from the ones we discussed today, which one would you choose for your faceless YouTube channel, and why? Drop your answers in the comments below. The next video might be about earning by posting football videos, so stay tuned for more upcoming videos that you don't want to miss. See you in the next video.